Hello everyone and welcome to FIXtastic Solutions. In this video I'll show you how you can remove the screen password on VIVO Y21 and Y21E.
Welcome to FIXtastic Solutions, the #1 channel to your solution.
First of all, you have to power off the device. Now you have to hold volume up and power key together. Now you have to select the recovery mode with the volume key and press power key. Okay, so now the device is in recovery mode. From here you have to tap on clear data, then clear all data and tap on OK. You have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, so data wipe is completed. Now tap on return. Go to clear cache and tap OK, return. Now go back and just restart the device. Now you have to wait for a few minutes until the device reboots successfully. Okay, so here we have our phone. As you can see, the screen password is successfully removed. Now you just have to complete the setup and use your device. Okay guys, so that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial today. If this video helped you, please can you like and subscribe. There's still more contents to come. Bye for now.